everybody, this is James Pyle from Gracie and James on Century21LookingGlass.com. Today we're going to show you how to turn an ordinary flamingo into this really cool Halloween buzzard. So the materials we're going to use to make the flamingo buzzard are, we're going to start out with the flamingo. You need both black and a maroon colored spray paint, plastic bag, glue, painter's tape, and a cheap dollar store boa. We're going to take black spray paint and spray paint the flamingo. And you always want to make sure you get both the underneath here and underside. When you put them up like this, it's very easy to miss. And now we let it dry. Now, once your buzzard's dry, we're going to go ahead and tape it to get ready for the next coat of paint. First thing we do is we take the body, put it into a shopping bag like this, and tape up around the neck. So it looks like so. Then we cover up the beak and the eyes. And for the eyes, I literally just take a piece of tape, kind of work it on like that. Once you have your bird taped up, go ahead and put it back on its legs, right through the plastic. Take your maroon spray paint and just lightly, or not lightly, but go over just like so. Let it dry, and then there's one last step. Make sure you get it all covered. Once the maroon paint has dried, go ahead and take the bird back off its legs, and you carefully take off all the tape. Very carefully. And you can see how nicely your buzzard turned out. Then you take a cheap dollar store boa, cut off a couple inches, I like to put it around the neck where the maroon meets the black, tie it, and then glue it in place. There you go, your buzzard flamingo.